here. And I don't think it's going to die down. We still got a lot of morning left. See how it goes if I can paddle against the wind. Fish of the day. Not one I was targeting, but man, I'm happy with them. Alright. So, gotta get him off of here. I do believe I'm gonna keep him because he's big enough. Get them on the stringer. Try for some more. Oh my god. Snap. What in the world? Oh dude. It's a pike. Holy smoke. He's hooked good too. I didn't think those were in here. Yeah. Well, we'll figure out what to do with him now. He's got some nasty teeth. My goodness. I thought it was a bass. I just called the game warden and he said that this is a pickerel and that there are no regulations on them, so they're good to keep. He said keep as many as you want. There's no size limit. They don't get very big. He said the state record is about 7 pounds. I hope this thing doesn't bite through my stringer. I will be ticked off. He said they're full of bones, but they're supposed to be tasty. So, we're going to try it. I've never cleaned one before, but we'll see how it goes. Back to fishing. Fish number 3. Look at this guy. Look at that guy right there. Man, he's a big one. Oh, boys. We finally did it. We caught a bass. Finally. He ain't big, but it is a bass. My first halfway respectable bass at a Garrett Lake. Here we go. Fish on! Hot diggity dang bass. You know what? We got plenty to eat. He ain't all that big. I think I'm gonna let him go. We got plenty. ringer full here. Man, ain't that a lovely sight? Alright. Doing good. Alright. On the very next cast, we got another bass. We're doing really good today. Holy smokes. He's a little bit smaller than the last one. So I'm going to throw him back so somebody else can catch him. And away he goes. Man, with all this wind, I didn't think it'd be very good. This is the best day on Garrett Lake yet. Let's keep going. Alright guys, we're back here at the house. Some thunder started rolling in, so I had to get off the water. We got a pretty good catch today. My intention today was to catch some larger fish, and to some extent we did. We caught a couple of respectable bass, none big enough to keep. But hey, I got some of these that are actually fairly mature. So, I'll let you guys know what I was using. This spinner, made by Booyah. So, anyhow, stay tuned for next time. Thumbs up.